Just around the corner, come on! So, get on the boat! We're losing him! Through that cave! Then clear of open area! So, look for that helicopter! Those miniguns aren't gonna stop! Shake them! Left! Gonna lose them! Shake them off! Steer clear of that chopper! Go, go! Grab pizza up ahead! It's gonna get rough! Hang on!
Avatar 1, give me a sit rep, over. I have Warhorse 5-1 standing by. Delos down river, sir. Copy that, Warhorse 5-1. Be advised, we're coming in hot. Roger, dropping the hatch. Keep it above 30 knots and watch the vertical clearance. Crew, Gold Eagle's on board. We're out of here.
Hold it steady!
Crew, we got a sandstorm at 12 o'clock. We're
Steady!
taking a long way around. Hang on.
Steady! Back up! Back up!
5 years ago, I lost 30,000 men in the blink of an eye. And the world just fucking watched. Tomorrow, there will be no shortage of volunteers, no shortage of patriots. I know you understand.